want to take advantage of looking at the jobs dashboard to track and organize your work. To access the jobs dashboard, you'll go to the dashboard icon on your left side, third icon down, and here you'll see our Kanban style that displays any job with a start date within the next 7 days. From here, you'll be able to click on those jobs and drill down as well as work on those jobs. You'll be able to move those jobs into the correct status if you need to. You're also able to take and sort these and apply those filters so we could choose everyone or any one of our firm users, as well as sort by client or all clients. We can also set those tags, so if we only want to concentrate on one specific job type, we can sort here. We can also sort our jobs by the same tags as applied. You can also add a new job right from this dashboard. As you can see in the upper right corner, that's where you would add a job. This is your Kanban view, and this is your list view, which will give you more information and list more jobs. We can apply batch actions, change owner, update status, add or remove tags. And again, you can click into any one of these jobs, start working on it, or just review where it's at. If you choose to filter by tags, these will remain sticky, so you can always come back here and review any of those sorted dashboard views. Once again, you're also able to add a new job. Be sure to check out the other dashboards available to you.